While watching my tutorial, let me tell you why I never go to McDonald's. If you think I'm going to lecture you on how bad fast food is, no, this is not it. I like McDonald's. I used to go there a lot. Last summer, I went to the McDonald's near my house. There's this hot girl at the register taking my order. When I get near the counter, I can't help noticing that there's a sign on her left chest. The sign says P-A-T, pet. I thought, well, that was inviting. Well, things got a little messy after that. There was some screaming and the police had to come. Long story short, after that incident, I was banned from all McDonald's. And this is the reason why I never go to McDonald's again.